Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though every news sources are publishing news on the spectacular and superior flying skills of Tejas FOC on the opening day of Dubai Air Show, I thought of sharing another news which is very vital and relevant to Indian Air Force. In January 2021, government gave required approval for the manufacturing of an initial batch of 15 LCH, out of which 10 would be given to the Indian Air Force and 5 would be going to Indian Army Aviation Corps. The Indian Air Force has put forward a requirement of 65 LCH and the Indian Army for 114 helicopters. As per the defense sources, it looks like Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be handing over the light combat helicopter officially to the Indian Air Force Chief in Jhansi. It is said that this is expected by either this week or by next week. Some sources even mention the date as November 19, 2021. The first production LSP series light combat helicopter in Indian Air Force Tipnis Grey was seen parked at Yelahanka AFS at Aero India 2021 earlier this year. And it was supposed to be handed over to Indian Air Force much earlier but was held up. Finally, it looks like this is going to be fulfilled by November 2021. Not only that, even light combat helicopter in Army livery was spotted taking its flight from the HAL's helicopter division, and this would have given happiness for the Indian Army division as well. LCH, which is weighing around 5.5 ton, can operate at heights of 21,300 feet. And last year, 2 prototypes of the light combat helicopter were deployed at the forward base in eastern Ladakh in order to validate their capabilities at high altitudes, and this is due to the standoff with Chinese army. So this was a quick video on the recent news prevailing in news sources about Modi handing over the first LCH to Indian Air Force officially, and this is going to happen this week. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.